aha mukoro nugwo gumwe gwa nyuma ya Archbishop kumara kwika mwanya Bishop Johnson Twinomujuni na timu ye bamwakiriye no kushemerwa kandi babanza kumurambuza offices inkuru ezobureberezi ezibahereze kwombeka kandi bakazitaho mu butongore ebiro bice bihingwire. Bishop Johnson Twinomujuni or Bishop w'obureberezwa Western Kore asimire Archbishop Samuel Stephen Kazimba Mugaru orisha abareberezi b'ekanisa ya Uganda ahabo bitagumana abanagirira baba mwesire kuba hamwe nawo.
Gambera amakuru marungi tosire tugire biterana aha kandi ntabwo ekine tekigona mukaga konka nibike tugira umugisha ubwo kugira omuzere wetu mukuru omukwikiriza no mukanisa kandi obera tangatene n'ibintu bingi konka kutuha mushabire ebimwe yagira ati kambe tigeho inyurukanje nze kureba abana banjye.
Archbishop Samuel Stephen Kazimba Mugaru asimire cy'umubereberezwa Western Kore Diocese uburi kwebemberwa Bishop Johnson Twinomujuni ahabwe nkwatansa nungi aha tugize ngo mbiterane nkebi ibimenyeto ubureberezwa Western Kore niwe bukubana ubusinga y'inamba mpango emyeto wagerageranisa n'ubureberezo bundi.
I have been telling the senior staff today in the entire church of Uganda we don't have any diocese which has the biggest youth conference like this one.
Archbishop Samuel Stephen Kazimba Mugaru agarikire yasime mnyeto abo kwikiriza baketa bo mu kiterane cyabo aho abaraganise tubaragaruka mu makagabo nico cumwe ngo habo ko babagambe batara bamwe na bamwe bizire bine byo kwegesa birungi ahabwe mnyeto.
But above all I want to appreciate each one of you here present. Okay. And I want you to know that you cannot go back the same. God has brought wonderful speakers and each one of them is going to speak to your heart.
Bishop Johnson Twinomujuni na wasimira abahereza be abo mu rumo muhango ogubarukoro mbureberezwa Western Kore Diocese ahajuzire ngo nubashonga ahabwencho burebereze nubasimisa.
The commitment and resilience and I should say stamina of these people, the serving clergy and lay readers. I thank you before the top leader of our church in this country.
Bishop Samuel Kazimba Mugaru agarikira yananjirize minyeto obutarekeraho gukora kurungi bakahendera abakozire bitari kubagasha ngo habwo kuba wakora kurungi niwe nokorwe birungi.
Paul is saying, never stop doing good. Never be well in doing good. He's talking about our character. He's talking about our behaviors.
Imengabrano or RDC wabshenyi kando birari hamukoro gambire minyeto okutura batine kwerarikirira ngo habo kuba mwanya gubiziremu ibyo kwerinda biri guruguru mpaka bagarukira mu makagabo.
Abashyiro mu rushege feel at home mugorore mutemekine. Security is tight. Stay in your gazetted places.
Urutera noru rutangire biro mwenda nirwija kwa ebiri 13 byoko kubanza makugwe 2025 kandi minyeto erutandikiro mani hamwe no kushemeru gasha kwa Olivia Nasasira aba Sky Television agenshonga mu Rushenyi.